For our kebab in puff pastry cups, we start out by sauteing our meat. We are not adding any oil to the beef. Cover the beef while it cooks. It will cook in its own juice. Some diced onions to the meat that's been cooking in its own juices. Adding chopped bell pepper and some more bell pepper and sweet red pepper. A little bit of oil to your mixture at this time. That's just vegetable oil. Our cubed potato to the meat and pepper mixture. You've added your potatoes, put your cover back on. Now we're adding some tomato paste to our meat mixture. Looks like about 2 big tablespoons. Adding a little bit of pepper paste. Notice that we added more tomato paste than pepper paste. It's usually a 2-to-1 ratio. Stir it in well. Adding some black pepper to taste. We're adding a little bit of cumin. Some regular paprika, not smoked, just regular paprika.
And then oregano.
And some oregano. And of course you want to add some salt to taste. Shadem's secret tip is to add a few drops of fresh lemon to the meat. She says it adds a lot of nice flavor to the dish. The final step is we're going to add some water that's been boiled. She didn't add that much, maybe 1/4 cup. Stir everything well to get those seasonings and spices infused. Cover back on and cook it for another 5 minutes, and then it will be finished, and let it just sit covered until ready to serve. She used 3 chopped tomatoes that she's added to the meat mixture. Stir this as it simmers. Taking ramekins, and we are filling them with our meat mixture, and we're filling them nearly to the top. So again, you want to use parchment paper so that the pastry dough does not stick to the ramekins. After you have your cute little puff pastry cups ready, Chidem goes back in and she's taking a toothpick and she's gently pricking the top of each of the pieces of pastry. Our final step is to take some egg yolk, beat it well, and then you're going to gently brush the puff pastry with the egg yolk. It makes it shiny, it makes it pretty, and it makes it golden brown. Now we're adding some water to our baking pan, and the reason for doing this is to keep it moist, but at the same time it adds a nice crust. Pouring the water in, these will bake for about 30 minutes
You could check.
At what temperature? Now our puff pastry cups are ready, and we are removing them we're removing the parchment paper, and we're filling the cups.